Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-upload ng video kasi naging busy ako sa school and then after school, boom! ECQ na. I'll admit, hindi talaga ako naging productive buong quarantine period. Kaya ngayon lang din ako nakapag-video. And speaking of video, this video is about DIY nail art. Using yung mga things dyan sa bahay nyo, and of course featuring Sunnies play paint. So let's do it. For our first nail art, I used the Sunnies Play Paint in Tulle, Play Paint in Tulle for the pink clouds, and we also need a cotton swab. Let's start off by using the Play Paint in Tulle as the base. Cover your entire nails with the Play Paint and coat until it's opaque enough. Clean off the edges and repeat everything on your entire nails. Get the nail polish using a cotton swab and lightly dab it on your nails to make a cloud effect. Repeat everything on your entire nails. And top it off with Lucite. For our second nail art, I use the play paint in Taro, Tulle, and Tulle. We also need the band-aid. Peel off the cover of the band-aid and stick it on the center of your nail. Cover the exposed area with the nail polish wait until it's semi-dry voila! A perfect French dip. Repeat everything with your other nails and don't be afraid to play with colors. I alternated Taro, Tulle, and Tulle. Add Lucite to have a glossy finish. And we're done! A fun version of French dip. For the Terrazzo Print, I used Leotard as a base, and I used some paint brushes to paint the terrazzo design. So I applied Leotard as my base and covered it up until it's opaque enough. Then I use a paintbrush and different color of play paints to create a random terrazzo print on my nails. I just painted it randomly and did it on my entire nails and topped it off with a Lucite play paint. And this is the finished product. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my mini tutorial and kaartehan this quarantine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!